yeah. Wait a minute. I've been watching this all night. Let me see how long this is. What time is it? What time is it? Shoot! 5:54 in the morning. God, Lee. I better go to bed. Just maybe one more. Okay. So I guess this will be good. Okay. Time to go to bed. And finally, morning. No, okay, let's do this. Why does Freddy always have to be so ungrateful? Okay, well, I guess this should be good. You know what? I'm just gonna get them a quick snack. Oh, this should be good. Animal crackers. One for you, and one for you. And here you go, Freddy. Since you're always being a little baby jerk. I told you I wanted more. I want more Jolly Ranchers. You're gonna give me more Jolly Ranchers. I'm gonna keep on making a mess. Okay, well, I'll get you more, Freddy, you baby. If you ever say that y'all are hungry again, because I know that y'all are not, I am going to blow up. I'm hungry. What was that? I don't know. What do you think could have happened? Maybe it was Chica. And she's probably letting off one of those gas bombs since she always farts. Nice one. Yeah. Well, ooh, my favorite. Well, anyways, there was this story about one man and then this and blah blah and da 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 da. And 1 hour later, yeah, and then he goes like this and yeah, I understand you. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is really good. Nom nom. You know what? I'll let you live for us. Yeah, so pretty much yeah. Yeah, so you understand me, bro? Yeah. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Voice scratch. Yeah. Are you gonna eat those? No. Thanks. Mainly, you'd be the one that always finished them first, and I'd be the one finishing them last, but you're acting pretty weird today. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm out of here. Hey, thanks for them, by the way. Man, I wonder why they're so liked all the time. You know what? Oh, hey, Golden Freddy. Oh, hey. I was just about to play Golden Pocket Edition 2-player update. Oh, yeah, can I play? Oh, sure. Jump in. Okay. So, the game goes like this. So, Pocket Edition and stuff, you just... Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I have this world set up. Golden Freddy, I need you. Oh shoot, Cupcake's calling me. So like you just set up the world like this. I'll be back. Oh, this seems cool. Oh, so Minecraft Pocket Edition 2-player? Oh, this seems fun. Thinking about Nyan cats. Oh, hey, Golden Freddy. Did you just shine in my world? Yeah? What did you... You deleted it! That took me 1 year to make! Oh, God. Oh, hey, Foxy. What are you doing? Nothing, I'm just thinking about Nyan Cat.
Oh yeah, I haven't heard that 20 years ago.
This song's not even 10 years old, Freddy.
Well, I just think about it and I created it.
Freddy, you're so weird.
Hey, do you think that you can go pick up them Jolly Ranchers?
What Jolly Ranchers? Really, really, Freddy?
Yeah, stop saying I'm going Freddy. You mean me?
Whatever. You know what? La 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 la. But just don't.
But don't be like, but only pick it up when Chica comes back with the extra.
Oh la 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 la.
Stop! What are you doing?
What?
I said when Chica comes back with the other Jolly Ranchers.
Freddy, don't start crying. Do not start crying. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna get in so much trouble. I better get out of here.
Ooh, Jolly Rancher.
Okay, well, wait a minute. What time is it? Oh, no, it's 6:29. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, I'm gonna be late for my honeymoon and I'm 30 minutes late. Oh, shoot. I'm so sorry I'm 30 minutes late. Why are you late? Traffic. Okay, whatever, but we live in a rural area. So, yeah. Come on. You're driving with you. You're not looking. You're not looking in the road. That's really dangerous. Okay, I can do it. I'm Dr. Something. What are we gonna do on this great sundown? Oh, I don't know. What do you want to do? Something. You wanna go watch a movie after we? Sure. Hello, are you saying something? Gas pedal. Wait, hello! Hey, come back! Nyan Cat, I love you, Nyan Cat. What the frick? Foxy would never do that to me. What was he doing? So why are we here, guys? It's about Foxy. He's acting really weird. Yeah, he's been singing nothing but this cat song. He told me it was Nyan Cat. Wait, what's about Nyan Cat? I told you he hates cats. It's an addiction or something. But he deleted my world. He ditched me on the side of the road. I know what he did. He let me eat some of his crackers, even though I'm the one that finished, even though that he finished them first, but he gave them to me. Yeah, and he didn't do anything. Wait, didn't we all do anything? Well, no, he's been doing numbers of stuff to me, and y'all have been torturing me. Okay, whatever.
And you know what he did? He took a bite out of my Jolly Rancher.
That is stupid, Freddy.
Hey, well, it still counts as something bad.
Wait a minute. He's been acting weird about saying Nyan Cat Lord is coming or something is coming. I'm gonna go see what he's doing.
And I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna look at this light.
Freddy, you are. I'm gonna go see what Freddy's doing. Hopefully he's not. Are y'all all going to sleep? Wake up! Go to sleep. Go to sleep, Foxy. You can. Don't let Nyan Cat get over you. Just go to sleep. 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 Nyan Cat Overlord activated. Whoa! Whoa! Lights! Guys! Watch out! Wait, what's that over there? What's going on? It's Foxy! He mutated into some stuff! What do we do? We gotta get out of here! What are we gonna do? Don't fight him off! attack! Wait a minute! Golden Freddy, there's a lever right there! Try to open it! It opened! Okay, I'm going in! Be careful, Golden Freddy!
I know you're here, so come out and fight me. Squishy. Ooh. Oh yeah. Maybe to make me feel up in a good, better mood. Squish. Wait, what's going on? Whoa! Got the lights. Wait, where's it going? Wait, where's it going? What the frick? Wait, what's going on? Nyan Cat's entrance, do not enter. Nyan Cat the Overlord? Wait, what? Okay, well, I'm gonna go take down Foxy. Or Nyan Cat. Wait, what's that? Wait, what? Fire! Spoon, take that! Oh no, it took it! Wait, what do I do? Laser beam! Fireball! Like, die! Come here, Nyan! Weird! Give me my spoon back! Whoa! Whoa! Come here, Nyan Cat! I'm gonna take you down and you're gonna give back Foxy! Yeah, Golden Freddy, do something! Wait, what's going on? Ew. Wait, what's going on? I'm back. It's because Nyan Cat got to your brain and a lot of stuff happened. But I went and took him down, so you're fine. Wait, so that's why he was being so weird? I guess so. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know. Well, that's pretty... wow, I'm never gonna ever watch Nyan Cat ever again. Well, that was really creepy. What do y'all think? Tell us in the comments below. And also like and subscribe. Bye, guys!